Hello. Right, so me and mum, got no makeup on either of us, look at us. But
she always looks better than me.
I'll put some fake tan on. I'll put some skinny tan on my face. Right, so we're going to go through the kit that is being released, okay? And I'm going to show mum it because you've not really seen all the products, have you?
Any of it.
So it's exciting because it's for 40 plus this. It's for our mature customer, which is basically all of our followers.
So are you saying that we're all old?
Yeah, basically.
Thanks.
Well, we're all old and we all need help, so I'm helping.
I definitely need help.
Right, so first of all, you get the famous, gorgeous pink leopard print bag.
Beautiful.
Right, so that comes with it. Right, now I'm going to go through some of the things we can't trial out because you'll know why in a minute. Right, so let's do the first thing. Okay, so the first thing is you get the hair gain mask, right? This kit has been put together because so many women ask me what are my favourite products to...
this is good.
Yeah, that's the...
that's the one you gave me
yeah,
to try.
Yeah, the hair
that's
gain.
really, really good.
And it really puts lots of shine in your hair and it comes out bright green, so it's quite funny. Love the packaging. We love anything pink, don't we? Hair gain, look, it looks nice in the bathroom now. Nourishing Miracle Treatment Mask, right? But what I was saying was we put this kit together because I get a million messages every day. What's your favourite this? You know, I'm going through the menopause. I've been through the menopause. I'm on the way to the menopause.
I'm definitely on the way out of the menopause.
And I'm on the way in. And you'll want product recommendations that are going to help you get the glow back, get your vitality back, feel fabulous again. And because your skin changes, your hair changes, everything, doesn't it? So sometimes you just need to change everything up. So I'm going to show you, this is, as I always do, my curated kits are my favourite products. And these are the ones that all of you guys have asked me about and that I go on and on and on about all the time. So we're going to put them in one big kit for you. So you get the hair gain mask. This you put on once a week. More if you want to. I love it. When you blow dry your hair after you've had that on, it goes like salon finished. It just looks really beautiful. Okay, so you get the hair gain mask. That's going to give your hair lots of luster again, right? That's that.
Highly recommended.
Second one is our FTT Skin Prime and Protect. Now, you know we've been on about that loads. They sold out immediately on the website when we had them for sale individually. We're now putting them in the kit. So we can put a bit of this on actually. So this has got SPF 50 in. All right, put a little bit on. This is Francis's product. It's gorgeous. This you can put on in the morning. We don't like putting on too much moisturiser in the morning because remember, it makes your makeup slide. This, when it goes on, it dries immediately. Like, it's quite, isn't it? You feel it.
Yeah, you can feel it.
And it's really good for those sunspots. We have to wear SPF every day, and this one is gorgeous, okay? In fact, you've just had removed a sunspot, haven't you?
Yeah.
Like just here, you had a really big one here.
Yeah.
And she's just had it removed. So you definitely need to make sure that SPF is on that every day.
And just see the outline of it now.
Yeah.
It's massive.
But, yeah, you make sure you put that on it every day. Yeah. So you got to make sure you push it into the hairline, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so that's the first thing. Then you would put your base on, right? Now, what we've got is, and I should have shares in the company, is the Vita Liberata Skin Beauty Blur for the face. They've changed the packaging. It used to look like... Can't find it. It was a pink and gold before, but they've changed the packaging, so it's different now. So it's this one, Mum.
Right.
Now this you can wear alone on a really good skin day, but I always mix it with my foundation. It gives you the beautiful glow, right? So let's try this one out. Right, so it comes in two shades. It comes in three shades actually, light, medium, and dark. I use medium on nearly everybody, 99% of people that I make up. Okay, but that's light, that one.
Yeah.
We have got light available. Only a small amount of kits have got the light in. But this is if you've got porcelain skin, okay? I'm talking like Irish skin, Colleen Nolan skin, okay? Like white, really, really porcelain. Then you want to go for the light kit, okay? But pretty much 99% of us all will be the medium colour. I use this on everybody I work on, the medium one. Right, so we can mix this. It comes like this. It used to come in a pump, but now it comes with a little spatula. Okay, and you put this on, and this is going to give you your glow back, right? So just mix it there.
Blimey.
Right, and then I'm going to mix it with my foundation. So I do like some on my hand, then I put the foundation in. So kind of half and half, really. Right, get that on, and it gives you a lovely, look, you can see, look at that. See that glossiness?
It's nice.
It's so gorgeous. Yeah, keep rubbing. Just, yeah. Yeah, it's lovely. Look at that.
It is, yeah.
So nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just lifted. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's it. Make sure you do your eyelids and get it right in there, you know, sort of just push it in there.
Yeah.
See, give that gloss just that lovely glow, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's not like a glitter ball. It's just a lovely glossiness. Yeah?
Looks like you've been on holiday.
Yeah.
And you're still showing.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Okay, so that's the Vita Liberata. Next, we've got the Lord & Berry Skin Control Mattifier Blurring Primer. Okay, so this smells like, it just smells like sweeties. But feel it.
Sure.
Feel it. It's like...
Oh, yeah.
I know.
Oh, that's nice.
Different, isn't it, right? So this you can use. So if you've got oily skin, we all go through breakouts, oily skin. If you've got enlarged pores, like, you know, like around your nose.
Mate.
Yeah. Or
all
just
over my face.
or just sort of down the... I mean, most women are prone to kind of this area, yeah? What you do... so what you do with this is... You should have done this before we put the makeup on, but you just buff this in to those areas. Circular motion. Buff it in before your foundation, okay? I'll do another video on this to show you before I've got my makeup on, and you can just put it where you shine. It's a really lovely texture, so it's really lightweight. You don't feel like you've got anything on. So I mean, you can do it. You can do a bit now. Put a little bit where you your T-zone normally, yeah.
All over there.
So normally you would put that on first and then put your foundation on, and then we're going to do the third step.
Right.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay?
Yep.
That's really nice, and because it's compact, it's not cream or anything, it's compact, really good for the handbag. If you've got extra shine or anything, don't keep adding loads of powder, just put some of that on. Right, the next thing is the Lord & Berry Banana Powder. I know you're all going, it's yellow. Am I going to put yellow on my face? Yes, you are, because it's brightening powder, and that one smells really lovely. It doesn't smell of banana, doesn't it? Sweet, it's sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so this is a super sheer powder, okay? So all you do with this is as and when you need it. Definitely for your eyelids before you put any eyeshadow on, any sort of eyeshadow, cream or not. And this is just a super sheer powder for any extra shine as well, okay? It's really good for using this on top of the eyelids before you put any eyeshadow on or mascara on, because that when you put your creams on and stuff, your eyelashes absorb the moisture, which is why everybody gets panda eyes. So if you put a little bit of powder, just over both eyes, it will take away any moisture on the eyelids and on those lashes.
And it will make your makeup last longer.
Yeah, says mum.
Says mum.
And because it's lemony colour, it's really brightening. It's a nice brightening powder, okay?
That smells delicious.
Doesn't it? Next, I think we're getting a bit hot, mum.
Oh, okay.
I think we're getting a bit hot, aren't we? Right? So next we've got, hold on, I'll show you how to use it in a minute. Show everyone first. This, right? Now, this is what loads of women have asked for. It's a fan.
Yeah, I know.
Right, so all you do is, it's rechargeable. You know, it's just a chargeable one.
Has it got a battery in it?
No, it's rechargeable. You charge it up. Right. So just hold your finger on that.
On that?
Yeah, first light comes on. Right, and then the air comes out here. So that's light, yeah. And then you can whiz it up more, 2 or 3, you can go mad. Yeah, look, I can show you how powerful it is. It's moving my hair, yeah. So when you're having those hot surges, hot flushes, what do they call them in America? I can't remember, they've got a different name, haven't they? Oh yeah, look at you, go for it. Yeah?
Yeah.
You know, under your...
Down
under
here.
there, yeah, down there. Up there.
Oh, heaven.
Oh. Right, you can bung that on. And they don't look ridiculous. Like, so many fans, when you see them all whizzing round, they look a bit ridiculous. So I tried to find a chic fan. What do you think?
They're lovely.
Aren't they? So
perfect.
We've got pink and white ones. It's potluck what you get, I'm afraid. You can't decide. Yeah.
How'd you do it?
Just hold your finger on it and it will turn it off. Hold your finger. That's it. Yeah. So they're quite chic. They're a little bit more discreet than a big fan whizzing round, right?
Yeah, they're very nice.
Yeah, good. Right, so put that in there. Okay, next thing is, oh yeah, we'll do that one in a minute. Right, so the next thing is blush, okay? So, you know I'm a massive blush fan. Everybody knows I love blush. Your hair's all whizzed across, that's all right. You all know that I love Stila. So this is a blush that is a tiny bit tamer than Petunia, the one that I really love. But it's still super pretty, okay? And this one is called Sheer Lilium. It's a flower, isn't it? Lilium?
Lilium, yeah.
So it comes in little duos. Look, magnetic. I love that.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. And then, yeah, little top. Oh, do you know what? I've squidged this one because I rolled it down. I know, look, that's so silly. I rolled it down with it up. Don't do what I've just done. Right, so anyway. It gives white, that's it. Right, so this is a lovely, I'm just going to smooth it out because normally it will look much nicer than that. It's a lovely rose colour. So all you do with this, you know, if you put it on your cheeks, use your Donna or dip.
Yeah, well, that's how I put blush on, dip.
Yeah, not here then. Here it is.
Yeah.
Oh, use that bit, all right. Remember, top of the apples. Look at you pouting. You said I pout too much, but don't take it too high up there. Don't take it past the eye. Just apples, yeah? What's the mouth about?
Oh, well, I always do that.
Do you?
Yeah.
You always tell me off for doing that.
Your nostrils.
You always tell me off for doing that.
Have you not ever seen Donna?
Everyone's got a mirror face. And it's like, I think it's like you try and counteract the things that you want, like how you want to look. So when I look in the mirror, I push my lips forward because I would like bigger lips.
Oh.
And maybe I squeeze my nose because I'd like a slimmer nose.
There's nothing wrong with your nose.
No, I know there is. I know, but I think we just can't help it. We just do it.
You've got your nan's nose.
So let me have a look at you. No, in there, I mean. I can't see you like that. Yeah, pretty.
Pretty.
Right, you look like you've been windswept. Don't have the fan on number 3, I don't think. Number 2. Right, okay. Some of that? Yeah, lovely. That's it. Don't take it past the eye up there, okay? Apples only.
All right. That goes on really nice and it doesn't feel sticky.
No. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, don't like those ones when it's like, ugh,
yeah,
sticky. Like glue.
Yeah.
Okay, so you get your Stila blush, right?
Yep.
Cool, I'm good to you, aren't I? Look at all this stuff and there's still more to come.
Is this for mummy then?
No. Oh. Hold on. Right, and then you get your Living Proof Dry Volume Blast. We love this.
Perfect.
Yeah, we love this,
absolutely
don't we?
Perfect.
I know, because this one, I've shown you all how to use it before, but all you do, take a section like that, and then you spray it in there. You can take as many sections as you want, wherever you want volume in your hair, basically. If you need it around the sides or around the back, and then
I know
it just lifts it. Look at that, look.
Perfect.
Like that.
Absolutely perfect.
Just lifts it. Let me do this side so you can really see. Smells gorgeous. And it's just a really easy way to get some volume in your hair without doing too much. Okay? I mean, look, that's not me not even touching it and it's like that.
Lovely. Especially after, say, the second day.
Yeah.
When you've washed your hair and it goes a little bit flat.
Yeah, a little bit limp.
That is so good.
Yeah, isn't it? Look, I mean, look at that. It's just really lifted.
Yeah.
Really lifted my hair.
Yeah.
Right, so you get that as well. Okay. Next thing you get is a little pouch. Everybody loves these black and white spotty pouches. They love them so much that we are now going to make a signature bag in this style. A signature makeup bag in this style.
Oh, yeah.
So when we did the Spirit of Christmas event, everyone kept asking for the bags in this. We're like, oh no, these are just our little pouches.
Yeah.
So we're now going to make them. And in this, you get your magnifying mirror, okay? Dirty magnifying mirror, because I've been touching it. So, magnifying mirror, because so many of you say you need a magnifying mirror to stick onto your mirror, so that when you're doing your eyes and stuff, oh God, my eyebrows need plucking. When you're doing your eyes, you can see a bit clearer, okay? So you get that, and that goes in your little pouch, which is good.
Wonderful.
Okay, and next you get your Studio 10 concealer palette, right? So this is one I've been using because you can tell I've been using it. And in this you get your concealers that counteract any redness, which is the green, okay? or any blue and greyness, which is the peachy colour. Okay, so they're the two counteracting concealers that are most popular, people need. And then there's a tiny little primer there that's in this palette, that one there.
Yeah.
But then these two are your concealers, okay? So there's a lighter shade and a darker shade depending on what you need. The lighter shade is used for, you know, under eyes and stuff like that. And then the darker shade would be used for if you've got a blemish that you're trying to cover. You don't put a lighter concealer on that, remember, because it will just highlight it.
Yeah.
You want it more skin coloured, so you'd mix that one with your foundation and put it on a blemish and it will cover it.
Right. Yeah.
So, I mean, you know, we can just put our fingers in it now. It's so creamy and lovely. I mean, we can use just under the eyes or wherever you need it, really. I mean, that peachy colour is lovely for inside the eyes there, remember, because it counteracts any blue or greyness. Okay, that just lifts, look.
And this is nice as well.
What?
Because it's not sticky.
Yeah, I know, it's creamy, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just creamy, doesn't sit in the lines. Don't want anything that sits in the lines.
No,
just
especially
nice
I don't.
Just nice and lightweight. There you go. And then you can use on top of that, you can use your banana powder. Give it even more of a little lift. Right, and that will not sit in the lines because it's so sheer. Remember, I hate powders that are heavy to sit in the...
Oh, doing the wrong end to something else.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's really lifted under your eyes, look.
Yeah. God, look awake.
Look awake. Right, and then the other tiny little thing we're putting in the kit is a tiny little freebie, which is a travel mascara that is waterproof. And I would like all your opinions on this because we're thinking of putting this into our summer kit. But I want feedback. So if you think it's worth putting in our summer kit, then let me know and we'll do it. Let me just put some on. You can put some on too. Okay. It comes in a really cute little pouchy thing, look.
Oh, the brush is nice.
Yeah. And I just want people's feedback to see how long it lasts, whether it does smudge or not. Ico's renowned for their waterproof mascaras, so I'm sure it's going to be brilliant.
And is it easy to take off?
I haven't tried that yet.
All right.
So that's another good thing to know, yeah. I mean, waterproof mascaras are always a little bit harder, aren't they? But anything comes off with the Donna May cloth, remember? Right. Anything.
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 That's nice, look.
Doesn't take wrinkles off.
No, it doesn't take wrinkles off. And then you can carry on with your other makeup if you want to. But look, we've got our faces on pretty much. The only thing is missing is our brows. But I haven't put a brow product in because everyone's so particular about their brows. And if you've got the Donna May Essential Kit, then you've got the Gimme Brow by Benefit. Oh, it's downstairs. I did a makeup lesson yesterday and I was showing somebody it. Anyway, you can just put your brows on, yeah. Mine need microblading again and plucking.
I used a Donna May razor.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to get mine out later and give it a go. I did it last week. I'm going to do it again under there.
No pain.
No pain. It's good, isn't it?
I don't like pain.
That's it. In fact, you can tell me today how you get on with that.
Yeah.
Let's see if it smudges or anything. Yeah, and how you get it off.
Yeah.
And that basically is everything that is in the kit. So let's put it all back in so you can see. So you get that. Let's just go through it. So you get we'll do it one at a time. So you get your hair gain. Okay, for your hair moisturiser. You get your Prime and Protect. You get your fan, that white one or pink one. You get your Living Proof Dry Volume Blast. You get your Stila blusher.
Lovely.
You get your Vita Liberata Skin Beauty Blur Face. You get your Lord & Berry Primer. You get your Lord & Berry Banana Powder. You get your Studio 10 Concealer. And you get your magnifying mirror in your little pouch.
What's that then?
That's the Vita Liberata.
Oh, right.
And you get a freebie little waterproof mascara that I'd love feedback on. All of that in the Donna May makeup bag.
Thank you. Mummy's taking it home.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.